Since I have the temporary kitchen studio set up, I'm going to do one quickie video showing how I use the iPhone 15 Pro Max Blackmagic camera app with a LaCie SSD drive with a little T USB-C. I think it's a C, or it's a C connection going from the bottom USB-C to the LaCie with a short USB-C connection. And the one cool thing, many cool things about the Blackmagic camera app is with the new update, it does time code. So the new Blackmagic update does time code. And the cool part is I am now just doing a little side note recording using the Blackmagic camera app, going directly into the SSD drive with time code. I think it's recording. Let me see if it's recording. I'm also doing a screen recording. So you know it's recording when the time code's in red. So just a short little side note video with the Blackmagic app recording directly into an SSD drive. I have the LaCie with this C little USB going into a very small USB-C directly into the LaCie, recording directly to that SSD drive in Apple Log, recording right now, time code, and if this works out, these are all the little things I just talked about. So this is the top down holding the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the Blackmagic app. Focusing. And what's nice, really nice about the Blackmagic app is you can hold the phone normally and you can record holding it vertical, but record in horizontal, which I think is kick butt. It makes it a lot easier to use than, it's almost like you're doing a selfie, but it's actually a 16:9, which is what I like to do. But this is just a little top down using the Blackmagic app directly recording to an SSD drive. This is how I do it. I don't think you need to have a big giant contraption on your phone to be able to do this, because this little LaCie drive actually fits pretty perfectly in my hand. And you just change the ISO a little bit. So this is the Sound Devices MixPre 3. The little blue dot, if you see it, is the noise assist. And this is coming off the Shure SMD going into channel 1. I also have the Sony going into the FX30 and a 150 Bebop battery powering from the back of, powering up from in the back of the MixPre 3. So if I can get this footage from my iPhone to hopefully match up pretty nicely with the Sony, it'd be nice. So this is just a bonus video showing the Blackmagic app directly recording to an SSD drive, which is right on my hand, which is absolutely no issue at all. You don't need big giant things. I do side note find it funny when people make the phones all contraption like you're walking around with the camera, Go through all that, just have a camera. iPhones are supposed to be in your pocket, and you pop it out to do some video. And if I knew I was doing video, I would have this little SSD drive with this USB-C connection that's very small in my pocket. And easy peasy. Okay. Let me know if you like this type of bonus coverage. Thank you very much.